Things to Do in Rügen Island Travel Guide. Welcome to Rügen Island, a gem nestled in the Baltic Sea. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 things to do in this picturesque haven. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, history buff, or simply seeking relaxation, Rügen has something for everyone. Rügen Cliffs, Königstuhl. Rügen Cliffs, prominently featuring the awe-inspiring Königstuhl, stands as an iconic natural wonder on Rügen Island. These towering white chalk cliffs, overlooking the Baltic Sea, create a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates visitors from all corners of the globe. The cliffs not only offer breathtaking panoramic views but also tell a geological tale that dates back millions of years. A leisurely stroll along the cliff's edge allows visitors to soak in the beauty of the surroundings, with the endless expanse of the sea meeting the rugged coastline. Königstuhl isn't just a geological marvel, it's a symbol of the island's natural grandeur, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a profound connection with the pristine landscapes of Rügen. Jasmine National Park. Jasmine National Park, a verdant haven on Rügen Island, beckons nature lovers with its enchanting landscapes and diverse ecosystems. This pristine natural reserve is a sanctuary of lush forests, meandering hiking trails, and a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. As visitors delve into the heart of the park, they are greeted by the captivating beauty of ancient beech forests and the melodious sounds of native birds. The highlight of Jasmine National Park is undoubtedly the Königstuhl Chalk Cliffs, a geological masterpiece that offers a stunning vantage point over the Baltic Sea. Hikers can explore well-marked trails, each unveiling unique facets of the park's biodiversity. With its serene ambience and breathtaking vistas, Jasmine National Park provides an immersive escape into the unspoiled wonders of Rügen's natural heritage. Selen Pier and Beach. Selen Pier and Beach stand as the epitome of seaside bliss on Rügen Island. With its golden sand stretching along the Baltic coastline, Selen Beach invites visitors to unwind and bask in the sun's warmth. The historic Selen Pier, a splendid architectural gem, juts into the sea, offering not only a picturesque promenade but also panoramic views of the surrounding seascape. Beachgoers can revel in the tranquil atmosphere, take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, or simply stroll along the sandy shores. The lively ambience is complemented by charming shops, cafes, and restaurants lining the promenade, creating a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. Whether it's enjoying a sunset over the Baltic or partaking in beachside activities, Selen Pier and Beach promise a delightful coastal experience for those seeking both tranquility and seaside charm. Cape Arkona Lighthouses. Cape Arkona, adorned with its iconic lighthouses, stands proudly as a maritime landmark on Rügen Island. Perched on the rugged cliffs overlooking the Baltic Sea, these historic beacons guide seafarers with their steadfast presence. The twin lighthouses, each with its distinctive red and white stripes, create a striking silhouette against the sky. Visitors can embark on a journey to Cape Arkona to witness not only the mesmerizing interplay of light and sea but also to explore the surrounding cliffs and coastal landscapes. As you stand near these beacons, you are transported to a time when maritime navigation relied on the artistry of lighthouses. The Cape Arkona lighthouses serve not only as guardians of the sea but also as a testament to the island's rich seafaring history, making them a must-visit destination for those yearning for a touch of maritime magic on Rügen. Bin Seaside Resort. Nestled along the shores of the Baltic, Bin Seaside Resort emerges as the epitome of coastal charm on Rügen Island. With its elegant architecture, sandy beaches, and a lively promenade, Bin's invites visitors into a world of relaxation and seaside sophistication. The resort town boasts a splendid stretch of coastline where visitors can lounge on the pristine sandy shores or take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters. The iconic Bin's Pier extends gracefully into the sea, offering stunning panoramic views of the Baltic horizon. Beyond the beach, the bustling promenade is lined with charming boutiques, cafes, and restaurants, providing the perfect blend of coastal serenity and vibrant energy. Whether it's a leisurely stroll along the seafront or indulging in the spa offerings, Bin Seaside Resort promises a rejuvenating escape for those seeking a perfect harmony of coastal beauty and resort elegance on Rügen. Goren Resort. Goren Resort beckons with its timeless allure, nestled on the captivating shores of Rügen Island. Steeped in tradition, this charming destination seamlessly blends a serene coastal atmosphere with a lively town ambience. Wander through Goren's vibrant streets adorned with traditional architecture, where every corner reveals a piece of the island's rich heritage. The inviting beach offers a picturesque setting for relaxation and sun-soaked enjoyment. Immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of the locals as you explore local markets, sample delectable cuisine, and embrace the resort town's authentic charm. Whether it's the bustling town center, the inviting beachfront, or the myriad of cultural experiences, Goren Resort invites visitors to indulge in a harmonious blend of relaxation and exploration on the enchanting island of Rügen. Prora. Prora, located on the northeast coast of Rügen Island, is a fascinating destination known for its intriguing history and unique architectural heritage. The centerpiece of Prora is a colossal, yet abandoned, Nazi-era resort complex that stretches along the beach for nearly 5 kilometers. Built during the 1930s, Prora was envisioned as a grand seaside resort designed to accommodate thousands of holidaymakers as part of the Strength Through Joy program. Today, Prora stands as a testament to a bygone era, offering visitors a glimpse into the ambitious architectural plans of the past. While parts of the complex have been repurposed for various uses, the sheer scale and eerie atmosphere of the abandoned sections provide a thought-provoking experience. Guided tours are available, providing insight into the historical context of Prora, its original purpose, and the subsequent transformations it underwent. Visitors can explore the vast halls, learn about the site's wartime history, and witness the ongoing efforts to preserve and repurpose this monumental structure. Prora, with its blend of historical significance and architectural intrigue, offers a unique and contemplative experience for those interested in delving into the complex layers of Rügen Island's past. Sassnitz. Sassnitz, situated on the northeastern coast of Rügen Island, is a charming town that harmoniously combines maritime allure with historical richness. The town is renowned for its picturesque setting, bustling fishing harbor, and captivating architecture. At the heart of Sassnitz is its lively fishing harbor, where colorful boats bob gently in the water, creating a vibrant scene. Stroll along the promenade to soak in the maritime atmosphere, indulge in freshly caught seafood at local eateries, and perhaps try your hand at angling. Adding to Sassnitz's allure is the Maritime Museum, providing a fascinating glimpse into the town's seafaring history. The museum showcases maritime artifacts, exhibits on fishing traditions, and the evolution of sea navigation, offering a captivating journey through time. Beyond the harbor, the town's charming streets are lined with unique shops, cafes, and boutiques, making it a delightful destination for leisurely walks. The architecture reflects the town's rich history, with elegant buildings and charming facades contributing to Sassnitz's distinctive character. Granite's Hunting Lodge. Perched atop a picturesque forest in the heart of Rügen, the Granite's Hunting Lodge stands as a majestic testament to the island's rich history and architectural grandeur. This enchanting castle, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the aristocracy. The exterior of the Granite's Hunting Lodge is a sight to behold, with its fairy tale-like turrets and grand structure that speaks to the elegance of a bygone era. The lodge's location within the Granite's forest adds to its allure, creating a tranquil and scenic setting for visitors to explore. One of the main highlights of the lodge is its tower, which, upon climbing, rewards visitors with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. The tower's vantage point provides a unique perspective of Rügen Island, from dense forests to the expansive coastline, making it a must-visit for both history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Ralswiek Castle. Nestled on the shores of Ralswiek Bay, the Ralswiek Castle is a captivating landmark that seamlessly combines historical charm with modern-day entertainment, making it a must-visit destination on Rügen Island. The castle itself is a stunning architectural masterpiece, surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking the tranquil waters of the bay. The castle takes on an extra layer of excitement during the annual Stortbeker Festival, a lively event that celebrates the island's pirate history and folklore. The festival brings the grounds of Ralswiek Castle to life with vibrant performances, theatrical reenactments, and a bustling medieval market. Visitors to Ralswiek Castle during the Stortbeker Festival are treated to a spectacular show that unfolds against the backdrop of the castle's historic walls. The festival portrays the adventures of the legendary pirate Klaus Stortbeker, offering a captivating blend of drama, action, and historical storytelling. Rügen, with its natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to this enchanting island paradise. Until next time, happy exploring!